Yo, what's good guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we got a brand new unboxing coming up for y'all today. But I want to stress to everybody, if y'all are new, do yourselves a favor and hit that subscribe button, y'all. Remember, y'all tuned into the #1 Yeezy channel. So stay tuned for this unboxing video. It's coming right up next, y'all. So what's good everybody? Welcome back. It's Saturday, it's Yeezy release day. They just dropped the Hospital Blue 700s. So let me know if y'all picked those up. This unboxing though, we're covering one of the last releases, which are the Yeezy Powerphases. So in my previous video, we copped the Quiet Gray pair. And in this video, we're gonna go ahead and uncover the other two pairs, which were the clear brown joints and the simple brown. So we picked this up off Yeezy Supply, of course. So we got two pairs for y'all to see today. So how many of y'all picked up the Hospital Blues? In my opinion, real dope colorway. The hype was there in the beginning, but it seems now as they've been dropping so many Yeezys this month, the hype has kind of dropped down on those a little bit. But that's just good for everybody that wanted those. They'll be easy to get a pair as they're sitting right now on Yeezy Supply. So y'all could just hop on there and pick those up real quick. And if you haven't done so, check out my review on those. We got an early look for y'all. By the time you're seeing this video, I probably announced the giveaway winner already. So the first one is going to be the clear brown, which I haven't really seen any of these on YouTube, so I'm really hyped to get a look at these. Out of the three that dropped, this was probably my most anticipated out of the three. So let me go ahead and get y'all up close so y'all can see these. So these are the clear brown joints right here. Okay. So let me know what y'all think. Leave y'all comments and opinions right down in that comment section below. These are the Yeezy Powerphase. These ones they're calling clear brown. Thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Alright y'all, so we just unboxed the Powerphase in the clear brown colorway. And off my first impression, the quality is great with the suede on these. But these already look just like the Quiet Grays. So I do have those. So we're gonna do a quick comparison once we open all three of them. So these gotta be the simple browns right here. So it seems like this colorway is the most unique out of all of them. The Quiet Gray and the clear brown, they look almost real close to each other. So these ones have the most character, I guess you could say. And a different touch with these Powerphases, the old ones, they came on that old school blue Adidas box with the 3 stripes on them. So now they're dropping them with the Powerphase in the Yeezy box. Okay. So we got the simple brown joints right here for y'all. So Yeezy Powerphase in the simple brown colorway. Leave y'all thoughts and opinions down in the comments below. Stay tuned, we're gonna do a comparison of all three of them side by side. Alright guys, so we just unboxed the simple brown Yeezy Powerphases. Now let's go ahead and check out the other colorways side by side. for everybody. Alright. Alright, y'all, so here we go. So you got your simple browns right here. Then you got your quiet gray. And then you got your clear browns. So clear browns are gonna be more like a tannish colorway. Of course, the quiet gray look white with lighting, but are actually a grayish tone, followed by your simple brown. So these are like a brownish color, but depending on the lighting, they look almost dark gray. So here it goes. Again, a quick look. Out of the three, which ones did y'all pick up? Matter of fact, which ones are y'all feeling? Also, go ahead in the comments and rank them in order of your favorite to worst. So go ahead and leave y'all feedback right down in the comments below. Alright guys, so we just checked out every different colorway in these new suede Powerphases that just dropped recently. So I hope all y'all left your feedback and comments down below on which was your favorite pair. And I also want to know if you guys picked up any of these. These are still sitting on Yeezy Supply, so if you guys are fans of these, you can still pick them up. But I did also want to just talk about this shoe overall. The suede on these is beautiful, so I like what they did with these. I don't know how they'll hold up over time. The OG Powerphases, the leather joints, I love those. I do happen to have them on feet right now. So these are really good quality and they still hold up. Really no creasing. So I'm just curious to see how these things will hold up over time. So look, here go the clear browns next to the OG Powerphases. So I copped all three of these. For the personal collection, I'm not gonna keep all these because they're too close, so I'm gonna go with one of them. I'm still on the fence on which pair I should keep. So do me a favor, y'all, in the comment section right down below, let me know which pair of these I should keep for the personal collection. And then if this video does good, if y'all can get this video up to 1,000 likes, I'm gonna give away a pair of these Powerphases for y'all here on the channel. Alright, so what y'all think about that? Let's get it up to 1,000, run the likes up, and we'll give away a pair of these right here on the channel to give back to all of y'all. So thanks you guys so much for the support. Channel's been growing. We just passed 5K, so we announced that giveaway recently. So you guys stay tuned. Next month, October, there's a few Yeezys releasing, so I'm looking forward to the 700, the teal blues. I'm also looking forward to the soft vision. So let me know what y'all are most looking forward to. Alright, so thanks everybody for staying tuned all the way to the end of the video. My name's John Alexander. Y'all be blessed, and I'm out until next time.